reality, and today we're back in 2022, ready for a bang. We're going to a car meet in Brighton, first car meet of the year. I've got this stupid loud blood clot. I keep running about clear, lad. Nah, this ain't gonna be good. Alright, you guys, you ready? On the way to Brighton, let's go. Blood clot. Oi, this is mad. He's breaking the tension, that lad. Blood clot. Nasty! This is so stupid, man. This is the dumbest thing. Oh my god. Right, boom. I can already tell my screen's missing up, so I might have to pull over on the blood clot motorway. Right, hey yo. I'm going to start 2022 off with a blood clot banger. We're going to go to a car meet Brighton. We've got like, I think, well, I'm part of the West Sussex cruising group, and there's going to be some more different groups there. I don't know. We're going to spectate it out, see it out, see the different cars people's got, and we're just going to have a fun time basically. See how we're going to see if it goes to madness or it's just static. Should be static, but I don't know. I've never been one. Right, so boom guys, so basically scratched up video idea, car meet. I went there, obviously I'll show some footage now. Where's that, sir? I got there and I was like, right, where's everyone going? First location, it was full, so they started to move to different location, met some sound guys, and then suddenly, so within like 5 minutes, they changed the locations again because the police came, and I was like, right, okay. And then so right, let me just finesse this roundabout first, because I can't be bothered to wait in traffic. So I need to go somewhere. I could have gone, still could have gone, Remove your blood clot, man. I can't. police blocked us off in the whole parking garage, blocked the exits to both the top and the bottom. So we're all stuck in the garage. We can only exit it, and no one can enter. And it was a bit shambles really. And then after that, everyone got the message that the meet was over. So didn't really get any footage of the meet because nothing really happened. But I did met very nice guys there, which is always a plus. So shout out to you four, legends, mate, legends. Everyone's standing around in their group of 8, and they're like, oh, ho, ho, ho. Don't let other people, you know, you don't really want to go to a group of 8 and be like, hello, I'm you, because that don't work. That never works, unless it does, and then good. GG. Now I'm stuck in traffic for the next 9 minutes. But yeah. So what I'm trying to say here is we're going to do a full DMO DJ and just do 20 minutes just drive with me with this. The sound of the exhaust, man. Still such a botched job. But I mean, bombo clock, man. Come on over, Breach. Move over. Every gear like a mad. That's how we should do. Oi, if stall, mate, Mr. Salou, man, if you're watching this, we should do the second. We should make out to the DMO series, mate. We've done the first one when he gets a sponsor. Now next one's when he gets a Civic. Just slam them gears, because that's all it is basically. Clutch in, change the gear, do some weird arm movement, bounce a little, slam it. Slam the gear and boom, you're done. Like, it's such a... It's mad. I don't know if you can hear it properly, but it's mad. Like, oh my god, man. Too good, too good, too good. Fortunately, the meet didn't go to plan, didn't go in my favour, especially in terms of recording. But I mean, at least we salvaged all the sendits in the video. I had a nice tunnel run as well. Didn't get my face in it because I was a silhouette, because I didn't have these lights on. Oh, better bulbs. Man bought better bulbs and he decided to not show up. Like, are you dumb? 15 working days. Like, I thought, man got absolutely scammed. 4 bulbs for 15 quid, interior LED bulbs. 15 quid ice white. Gonna thought it'd be, you know, quick good purchase. But I think I've just realised, you know what? The penny just clicked. They just drop shipped it from bloody AliExpress. That's all they've done. You know what? Fair play to them though. This is more fair play. Oh, I wish I'd have. Oh, it's a police car. Is it my turn? Is it my turn? It's my turn. Boom. Might end off the video here. If you guys watched this far of it, you guys are legends, mate.